Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. Have you ever wondered what are modal verbs? Well, they're special helping verbs with three main rules. First, modal verbs always come before main verbs. Second, they are followed by the base form of a verb. And third, we use them to express things like ability, advice, and necessity. Modal verbs are very versatile. We use them to talk about prohibition and advice, necessity and ability, permission and possibility. Let's take a closer look at each one. First, let's talk about ability. To express ability in the past, we use could or couldn't. For example, I could read at the age of 5. She couldn't swim when she was 6. To express ability in the present, we use can or can't. For example, my mom can draw pictures very well. He can't ride a bike. Next is advice. We use should to mean it's a good idea to do something, like you should see a doctor if you feel sick. On the flip side, we use shouldn't to mean it's a bad idea to do something. For example, you shouldn't go to bed late. Now, let's look at necessity. We use must to express necessity, such as you must do your homework. We also use must to talk about a rule or law, like you must wear a school uniform. When something is forbidden, we use prohibition. We use mustn't to talk about things that are not allowed. For instance, you mustn't bring phones to class. You mustn't park your car here. Moving on to permission, we use can to ask for permission in everyday speech, like, Mom, can I go outside? But if you want to be more formal and polite, use may. For example, Mr. Brown, may I go to the bathroom? Finally, we have possibility. We use might to express that something is possible. For example, it might rain tomorrow. I might come to the party. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you understand modal verbs better. Don't forget to follow for more English lessons. See you next time.